Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Outlook encryption for Microsoft 365 messages, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Outlook encryption for Microsoft 365 messages, start by opening Outlook on your computer. Ensure you are signed in to your Microsoft 365 account. Next, click on File in the top left corner of the Outlook window. Select Options from the menu that appears. In the Outlook Options dialog, choose Trust Center from the list on the left. Click on the Trust Center Settings button to open the Trust Center. Navigate to the Email Security section in the Trust Center. Here, you will find options for encrypting email messages. To enable encryption, check the box that says Encrypt Contents and Attachments for outgoing messages. Now, click on In the Encryption Settings dialog, select a digital ID for encryption. If you do not have a digital ID, choose to create one by clicking on Get a Digital ID. Follow the prompts to obtain a digital ID, or skip this step if you already have one. Once you've selected or created a digital ID, ensure that the checkbox for Encrypt Data between Microsoft Office Outlook and Microsoft Exchange is checked. You may also want to adjust settings for signatures if necessary. After configuring the settings, click OK to save changes and close the dialog. Click OK again in the Outlook Options window to close it. To write an encrypted email, compose a new message as you normally would. Before sending the email, click on the Options tab at the top of the message window. Select Encrypt from the menu in the Options section. Choose the encryption method you prefer, typically encrypt only or do not forward. Finish composing your message, then click Send to send the encrypted email. Your recipient will need a digital ID to decrypt the message if their email service supports it. By following these steps, you can successfully activate and use encryption for your Microsoft 365 messages in Outlook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.